Today, let's discuss about why used car and new car prices are rising. Let's first discuss about why used car prices are rising. Car prices have risen for a variety of reasons, but if we sort it out and boil down, then there will be two factors. First, high demand. Second, limited supplies. Used car prices are very high because rental car companies sold off about a third of their cars to raise enough cash to survive the pandemic. Pandemic or during pandemic, rental car companies didn't have enough businesses and therefore to survive their businesses they sold off their car. And because of that, rush of sales last spring pushed used car prices slightly lower. But after the pandemic over, people start traveling. Because of traveling, they start using rental car services. And therefore, rental car companies are suddenly facing a shortage of car student. And because of they are not selling the cars into the market, there are shortage of the used car in the market as well. Millions of people have gotten job this year and millions more who are working from home are returning to the office, which require cars, feeding the need of vehicles. Let's discuss about why new car prices are rising. New car prices are also up because of a major shortage of computer chips. Computer chips, also known as semiconductor. Dealer inventory has fallen historically to low levels to provide the computer chips because of the pandemic, and because of the pandemic there was a shortage of this chip due to the lower performance of the shipping company. The lack of new car inventory is another reasons rental car companies can't buy the replacement cars they want and are hanging onto their existing fleets. And because of they are not getting the new car, they cannot sell their existing car, and because of that the used car demand is increasing. So this new car factor also increasing for the used car prices rising. Secondly, for the new car is surging of inflation. New and used car prices normally account for about 7% of CPI, but they generally don't move to headline number very much because they don't experience wild swing in price.